Welcome to Kids Planet Corner. Kids, test your knowledge about animals and birds. Which one sleeps for only 1 hour per day? It's giraffe. Which one has the strongest bite? It's crocodile. Which one has no blood? It's starfish. Which one sleeps with one eye open? It's dolphin. Which one hibernates? It's hedgehog. Which can survive longer without water? It's kangaroo rat. Which one runs faster? It's ostrich. Which one has teeth? It's snail. Which bird can mimic human voice? It's parrot. Which animal is the largest in the world? It's blue whale. Which one is a flightless bird? It's penguin. Which one is a mammal? It's dolphin. Which bird is the fastest in flight? It's peregrine falcon. Which one is the heaviest? It's a whale. Which one spends the most time in water? It's hippopotamus. Which bird is a symbol of peace? It's dove. Which animal is known as man's best friend? It's dog. Which has more teeth among fishes? It's catfish. Which one flaps its wings the fastest? It's bee. Which bird can swim but cannot fly? It's penguin. Which animal is known for changing its color? It's chameleon. Which bird is the largest in the world? It's ostrich. Which animal is known for building dams? It's beaver. Which animal is the king of the Arctic? It's polar bear. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Which one moves the slowest? It's sloth. Which one can sleep for several years? It's snail. Which animal can spray a bad smell to protect itself? It's skunk. Which bird is a symbol of wisdom? It's owl. Which bird can fly backward? It's hummingbird. Which is the largest land carnivore? It's polar bear. Which is the largest marine carnivore? It's blue whale. Which one can regenerate its limbs? It's octopus. Which one has the thickest skin? It's rhinoceros. Which one flies the fastest? It's dragonfly. Which one has a poor vision? It's ferret. Which one is more venomous? It's sea snake. Which animal can hang upside down while sleeping? It's bat. Which animal can live without its head for several days? It's cockroach. If you enjoyed this video, like it, share it, and subscribe. Click the bell so you'll be the first to watch our new videos.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye, kids.